Hello, everyone. Thank you for checking out my game. I'm going to explain how to play the game. Okay, so first, you have this space right here. This is a sentence. You need to finish the sentence. So right here, these words are going to go here. Okay, so for example, we have Charlie, that's our subject. So Charlie's going to go first. We click Charlie, and there it is, Charlie. Okay, now we have a B. What is B? Well, it's a little bit of a grammar thing here. If you look, we have B. When I put B here, B must change, in this case, must change to is, am, are, was, or were. Okay, so we have the present of B, which is, am, and are, and we have the past of be, which is was, and were. It's the past. So let's take a look at what we have here. So what does it say? So we have now, okay? Now means the present, okay? And it's a simple present. All right, simple present. So let's take a look over here. So we have present of be. The present of be. So we're going to choose is, am, or are. So let's choose. So we're going to choose is. Right here we have our choices, is, am, or are. Okay, so Charlie. So Charlie is a singular third person. So we're going to choose is, and you'll have to be quick. You have to. So see, correct. Charlie is. Okay, now we have so we have negative. So negative means it has a not. So where does the not go? So it's almost the same. So simple present again. So we have is, Charlie is. Now we click on not to make it negative. Not, and now it's correct. Okay. Okay, now we have a question. So there's a question mark and it says question. Still simple present. So to make a question, we change the order. So we say, is Charlie hungry now? There it goes. Okay. Now we have, now we have 2 days ago. That's the simple past. And affirmative just means it's not negative. So let's see. So Charlie. So simple past of be. What would the simple past of be be? So let's see. Past of be is was or were. So let's see what we have here. So we have was and were. So what would be best? So Charlie, singular third person. So we're going to use was. And there we are, was. Okay. Now we have a negative. So we have a not, which just means negative. So Charlie was not. There we go. And it changes to wasn't up there. So now again, we have a question. So Charlie, be. So we switch it around. Was Charlie. And there it goes. Okay, now we have a different verb. See, play. We have play. So a simple present, affirmative means not negative. Play, he and play soccer every night. By the way, it's soccer. Okay? It's a game where we kick the ball. So let's take a look chart. So play has some different forms. Play plus S, play plus ED, or play plus ING. So let's look. So what goes first? He. Okay, so play. Now, this is we have he. So whenever we have he, so if we have he, we add he, she, or it, we add s. Okay, so as we do here. Now, let's take a look. So let's see. So he play. Now we have he, so we add an s. He plays, and there you go. He plays. Okay. Now we have a negative, not. Okay. So simple present, not. So he does. See, there's our s right there. Does not. And then we use play. So the s goes from the play to the does. Play. I can't explain all this right now, but this is Anyway, and then we have he, oops. Oh, it's a question. So does he play? And that's correct. Okay. So last night he play, and you add the ed, okay, to make it past. And the negative simple past is with did. So he did not play. And there's, okay, in question, we use did he play? We have, all right, well, anyway, that's how you play the game. Thank you for learning how to play the game. I hope you enjoy.